was moving with Jill, man. Oh shit! Jill fucking crashed.
Let me see your bike. Let me see your bike. Let me see your bike. Let me see, nigga.
Fucking.
Who fell?
Gio?
I think your little brother fell.
No, it's Gio. Damn, let's see what he did. Look at this shit. Scraped the shit. Fucking thumb. Scraped his fucking slides. Nuts part he scraped.
Yeah, my nuts hurt.
He had his helmet though. There's a bite.
Alright, come help me wash my shit real quick, cousin.
Fucking bent the handlebars.
Austin.
Snapped the foot peg off.
Bent the exhaust.
Fucking bent the exhaust. Look at that shit. Brand fucking just got painted. Just got the bike put together for him.
Fucked it up.
Fucked it up already. Haven't even released the video of it getting putting back together. Damn. Yeah. Broke the fucking carburetor off.
That's a good carb too.
Oh shit.
Look up with everything.
Fucked it up. That, you guys, how you spend $1,000. Oh, damn.
I just spent $1,000.
Oh shit.
Ah, fuck the hand.
Come on, bro.
Hold on, Rogue. Let this shit cool down for a second, nigga. Ah! Watch out.
Damn.
White as a bitch. Look at what happens when you got a slick in the back?
Trying to do a test pass, huh?
Dang, good thing I was gonna say too, bro. Let me write it. Like I was gonna do that. What? Get your motherfucking ass inside.
Damn, where you got? Good hood right here. Shoot me up.